This is the LX 2024 model. This is the one key cable. Cable should be original. Any you will buy the duplicate cable, it will be not work. Then put it there in the down to the USB port. Then connect to your iPhone mobile. See, it will be work automatically. No need to connect Bluetooth, anything, automatically direct by the wire. You can use the CarPlay on your phone. See, everything, all data is here. Is your map, anything, all this, all your iPhone setting is here. Okay, but your cable should be original. That is the difference. If your CarPlay not working.
No Bluetooth.
Yeah, no need Bluetooth and no
Bluetooth not working. It should
not
be
working.
original cable. Automatically CarPlay is open.
Okay, so there is no other port. Only one port. Before coming two port for the separate, but now we have only one port. So we can. This is for CarPlay port. See. It is working in your phone. See, automatically coming.
If you remove, see,
Not working.
it began. It should be original cable. Maps.
Then one other things, your mobile Siri should be enabled. If Siri off, then it will be not work. Your mobile settings Siri you should be on, enabled Siri. Okay, boss. Thank you.